Hello friends, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel English Guru Rakesh ji. So subscribe my channel for the more videos so that you can boost up me to make more videos and you can learn a lot. So today's topic is phrasal verbs. So what are the phrasal verbs? Right? So definition is here. Okay, a phrasal verb that consists a verb with a preposition or adverb or both, the meaning of which is different from its two separate basic parts. Okay, so separate basic parts about that I am talking, those are here. You can find in the example there is one phrasal verb, right? That is makeup, right? So it has two parts, right? One, that is make, right? That is verb, main verb, right? It's past and past participle, made and made, right? And there is up, that is preposition, right? So if you will separate them, then you will find here the two different meaning. Make is having its own meaning, right? And up is also having its own meaning, right? Okay, so I think you have understood this thing, right? Okay, so when we combine these two words, right, make and up, then it will become what? Makeup. So this is called what? The phrasal verb, right? Okay, phrasal verb, it consists what? Preposition, adverb, and sometimes both. Is it clear? Okay, so when we are writing it combined, okay, like makeup, then it has its single meaning, right? So you can take one example also, right? So here uh, the phrasal verb, that is makeup, right? So meaning of makeup is what? To decide, ओके, टू बी फर्म, टू डू एनीथिंग, मतलब किसी चीज को करने के दृढ़ संकल्प होना आप में, राइट? व्हेन यू डिसाइड एनीथिंग टू डू, ओके, राइट? सो you can understand it with the help of the example. So I have written here one sentence. Okay, I'm reading it. He made up his mind to achieve the success. Okay, उसने अपना माइंड जो है वो बना लिया है, किसके लिए? टू अचीव द सक्सेस, सक्सेस गेन करने के लिए, राइट? इज इट क्लियर? आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट वेल. नाउ वी कैन टेक अनदर वन, phrasal verb. These phrasal verb, those are playing very important role while you are speaking and writing. Okay, so here another one phrasal verb, that is carry on. Okay, maximum times you have listened maximum people to speak this phrasal verb, right? So what is the meaning of this phrasal verb? That is carry on, right? So carry on means to be continue, to do any work, right? Is it clear? So here you can understand it with the help of a sentence, right? So the sentence is given here, that is what? They carried on themselves to complete their work, right? So they, it means that they are continue to complete their work. Okay, right? उन्होंने अपने आप को जो है वो कैरी ऑन किया हुआ है, कंटिन्यू रखा हुआ है, सो दैट दे कैन कंप्लीट देयर वर्क, कि वो अपना काम जो है वो फिनिश कर सकें, राइट? Is it clear? So I think you have understood it well, right? You can make more sentences by using these phrasal verb. Okay, you should not restrict yourself only to these sentences. Clear? Okay, so I can give another examples here also, right? So there are these examples, right, of the phrasal verbs, right? I have written here the sentences also so that you can understand better, right? So there is one more phrasal verb, that is give away, right? So when you are writing give away, okay, so you must come to know about the meaning of this phrasal verb, right? So that is what give away. Give away means to distribute, right? So here you can make the sentence. Distribute means bantna, right? Okay. The principal gave away the prizes to the students on the annual day function, right? So whenever you are writing annual day, so A and D should be capital. Okay, designation is there, P should be capital, principal, and if any other designation is coming, then first letter should be capital, right? Okay, and there another one verb, phrasal verb, right? Bring out. I want to tell you here to one more thing, that you are writing here bring out, then you can see one thing in the using of all these phrasal verb, that we are changing the form of only the main verb, that is give, bring, break, carry. Okay, you can find that their forms are varying, right? Here gave, here you can see that is brought, right? So we are using it in the past in definite tense, and then there is broke, right? So in this way you can use them, but there is no change in the preposition. So preposition will go along with it as it is, right? Okay, so give away, that is to distribute. Okay, the principal gave away the prizes to the students on the annual day function, right? Bring out, bring out means, meaning of the bring out, that is to publish. Okay, so publish means when you prakashit karna kisi cheez ko, right? So he brought out the second edition of his book, right? उसने अपनी बुक का सेकंड एडिशन जो है वो क्या किया, प्रकाशित किया, राइट? देन नेक्स्ट इज ब्रेक इनटू. ब्रेक इनटू मींस टू टारगेट, राइट? टारगेट करना किसी चीज को. ओके, जैसे सेंध लगाना, ठीक है, किसी के घर में घुस के चोरी करना, राइट? सो इन दैट केस यू कैन यूज दिस phrasal verb, that is break into. The thieves broke into the mall. ठीक है, thieves ने मॉल में सेंध लगाई, राइट? चोरों ने. एंड नेक्स्ट इज दैट इज कैरी आउट. कैरी आउट मीन्स टू अवे, राइट? मतलब आज्ञा का पालन करना. ओके, अवे करना, राइट? एज यू अवे योर पेरेंट्स, राइट? सो हियर यू कैन यूज this phrasal verb, right? Instead of using away, you can use here carry out. Okay, the students must carry out the order of a teacher, right? So we can take some more example, right? So here we have another one examples, right? Okay, see through. So you must come to know the meaning of see through, right? See through means to detect, right? मतलब ताड़ना किसी को, डिटेक्ट करना या कर जाना, right? See through. So I have written here one sentence by using see through. I have seen through all his कंस्पायरेसीज. कंस्पायरेसीज होती है षड्यंत्र, राइट? तो आई हैव सीन थ्रू ऑल हिज कंस्पायरेसीज, राइट? मैंने उसकी सारी कंस्पायरेसीज को ताड़ लिया है, राइट, या ताड़ गए, ओके, ताड़ लिया है, राइट. एंड देन अनदर वन इज दैट इज स्टैंड बाई. ओके, स्टैंड बाई मीन्स टू हेल्प. ओके, right. So instead of using the verb help, that you can use here phrasal verb that is stand by. Clear? Okay, we should stand by the poor people during their miserable days, right. कि जब भी किसी को बुरे दिन आते हैं, miserable days आते हैं, right, then we must help the poor people, right, at least. Okay, look down upon, right. So again, phrasal verb here, look down upon. So meaning is what? To hate, घृणा करना, right, abhorrent. Okay, so here one sentence you can understand better. A good citizen, जो अच्छा नागरिक होता है, should not look down upon the people on the basis of caste and religion. ठीक है, एक जो अच्छा नागरिक होता है उसे कास्ट और रिलीजन के बेसिस पे क्या नहीं करनी चाहिए? घृणा नहीं करनी चाहिए, राइट. इज इट क्लियर? ओके, सो वी कैन टेक मोर एग्जांपल, राइट. ओके, सो वी हैव few more examples here. Look into. Look into means to investigate, right. Okay, investigate करना, जांच पड़ताल करना, right. So here we can take one sentence. The police promised to look into the case of murder, right. पुलिस ने प्रॉमिस किया है कि वो मर्डर के केस की जांच पड़ताल करेगी, right. Okay, then there is another one that is put off. Put off करना means to postpone, right. स्थगित कर देना. What you want to do today, you are not willing to do that thing, and you want that should be done in the next day, right. Okay, so we should not do like that, right. Okay, as I'll give you the homework, you have to complete today, right. Okay, so see, we should not put off the things for the next day to do, right. हमें मतलब पुट ऑफ नहीं करना चाहिए, स्थगित नहीं करना चाहिए थिंग्स को. वॉट एवर वी वॉन्ट टू डू टूडे, वी हैव टू डू टूडे. ठीक है, हमें नेक्स्ट डे पे स्थगित नहीं करना चाहिए, राइट. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पुट ऑफ, स्थगित करना. ओके, सो इट्स टाइम to give you the homework, right. So you have to complete your assignment, right, and you can use the phrasal verbs which I will give you, right, in the sentences. Clear? So now I have brought some phrasal verbs for you which you will do the use in your own sentences, mean in English, right. Okay, so here there is cut off, right. So cut off means to die. Okay, the next that is look after. Look after means to take care, देखभाल करना, right. कट ऑफ का हिंदी में मीनिंग बता देता हूँ आपको. कट ऑफ मीन्स मरना, right. Okay, but all should live. Okay, live a long life, right. Okay, so look after, right. Take care. Give up means कोई होप छोड़ देना, right. Okay, छोड़ना मतलब. And get through means to achieve the success, right. सफल होना means, right. And then bring up means to nourish, right. पालन पोषण करना. Okay, his mother brought him with so much affection. Okay, brought him up. Here you can use like this. Clear? Okay, so thank you for watching this video, but I once want to remind you that don't forget to subscribe my channel English Guru Rakesh Ji. Okay, and press the bell icon. ठीक है, बेल आइकन को भी दबाना ना भूलें. Okay, for द नोटिफिकेशन सो दैट यू कैन वॉच माई अपकमिंग वीडियोस। ओके, जो मेरी अगली वीडियोस आएंगी उनको भी आप देख सकें और कुछ और ज़्यादा सीख सकें। थैंक यू।